Teknovak takes your production processes carburizing, Austempering or hardening to the next level with bell-type furnace systems. The process starts at the loading point. Materials are taken to the line with our fully automatic robot system and first directed to the preheating furnace. Here, the parts are prepared for the process temperature in a controlled manner. Then, the parts are transferred to the main furnace. At this stage, the materials are processed at a certain temperature and time for the desired depth and hardness. The parts that are finished in the main furnace are automatically taken to a specially designed cooling bath. The material structure is stabilized with rapid and homogeneous cooling, and the process quality is guaranteed. The cooled materials are transferred directly to the washing machine. At this stage, oil, salt, dirt and process residues are removed from the surface with a rotary table and spraying system, and the products are cleaned. Then, if tempering is required, the parts are directed to the tempering furnace. With this process, internal stresses are eliminated, the desired final hardness value and mechanical strength are obtained. All these processes are carried out with full automation and integrated systems. In this way, high efficiency, repeatability and process safety are provided. Teknovak, with its engineering power, automation infrastructure and experience, offers maximum quality and confidence in your heat treatment processes. Capacity can be increased modularly by increasing the number of furnaces in the same line. Teknovak, your reliable solution partner in heat treatment.